Today, guys, we're back to Slime Rancher, but we're restarting. Now you may be thinking, but you started a series already. I didn't go according to plan. I also knew what I was doing, also went a bit too quick, and by the 4th episode I revealed like basically one of the ending. But I never posted the 4th video because I never knew what I didn't know what I was actually doing. I was just doing random things. So we're gonna play a game like normally. So we're just gonna hit new game. YouTube for real. Don't know what. Anyways, let's go in logo. Ooh. Let's go with the chicken. Let's just do adventure. So this time we're gonna go a little bit slow. We're not gonna get things straight away. And you know what? I kind of forgot most of the locations, so it's a win-win. Let me turn up the game. Ooh, no, never mind. 1,000 light years away from Earth, on a planet known as Far Ranch. Okay, we begin our first ranch. Okay, I know how to move. Yum. Carrots. Yeah, jump and shift. Slimes, pinkies. Because why not? Let's only get 3. So they do get a bit big. Okay, done that. Taste food. Oh, how many food? Oh, these. Oh. Eat them. Eat them. Eat. I know what to do. Eat it. Good boy. Slimes are fat. Well, they do get fat. Oh, I missed. Yeah, money. Can we go do something now? That's the basics, yeah. I know that. Ooh. Dry reef. I feel like I've never played this game, but I have. It's so long. The Overwatch videos aren't working anymore. I will fix them. And there will be some Overwatch coming out. But I don't know when. Because that last video was very laggy. And it wasn't very good either. Oh, I can only hold 20. Oh, yeah. Give me these plots. Oof. What are you? Oh, I know what you are. There's a space down here, I think. Chickens can wait. Let's go this way. So I haven't been this way that much, actually. This is my 2nd time ever going in this direction. I never knew it existed until I was doing a YouTube video, because last time before I did the YouTube video on Slime Rancher, when I visited that area, it was blocked off saying like under construction or something. Ooh, I know you are, but yeah. Ooh, don't you dare roll into me. Oh, there's so much food. What's the... I want to activate. Yay. Cool. I really don't care. Plot. No. Go away. Where'd that plot go? I got it. I'm gonna go this way. Largo science. Give me some more plots. I need money. last episode, well, last Slime Rancher episodes, money was not working with me. See, I still don't know what these things are. Oh, I'm sorry, but you're gonna die. I need this. It's more important. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is though. Okay, let's go. Hey, he's alive though. He's gonna stay alive now. Oh no, he's still gonna die. Oh well. Bye bye. At least he had a nice life. Being in my inventory. I wish you could collect this stuff. It'd be cool. Like use that as money instead. Cool. Back off of my plots. They're mine. Although you'll produce them. It's a bit weird. I'm collecting poo and selling them for money. It's really weird, gotta say. Don't think that's normal. Let's go back home to the ranch. Oh, we got mail, apparently. Mail. I can't be bothered. So, from last episode, this is where we keep things. I still don't know what these do. Strange things, objects. I kind of wish I had a food storage place, but I'm just gonna chuck them in here. Cause why not? Also, I want you because you're on my ranch and now you're mine. You four are the only four I'm going to ever have. I also want to produce high walls because, yeah. But you four are the only ones I'm going to ever get. So, because that's what I said. So, because I said so. And when I say something, I say it. Oh, actually, I should have gone and kept those. Oh no. I'm gonna go back and get him. I have big brain. Actually, no, I have tiny brain. Both brains. Middle brain. Smart and dumb. Give me all of this back. Tell me you guys ate some of my carrots. Oh well. I found too many of them. But I want to see how much is it to enlarge my tank. Tank booster. I need 350. I just spent that. Sup, chicken? I just winked at the camera, didn't I? Hey. Is that... No, I need to put you guys down a bit. Oh, that was down as you guys can go. Oh, that's alright. Okay, right. I need more carrots. But I bet you they're all going to be gone now. Back away from my carrots. These are my carrots. Okay, I don't want you. But I want the rock one. Now, I want to go and do this. I want a big key already. I want a key already. I like keys. So, what we're going to do is that we're going to feed them all of these first. See, now, this is why slimes are fat. You ate all of those pretty quick. And now I'm going to feed you these again. Oh, see? Big brain. Oh, I got another one of them. I'm going to get another one. Oh! Oh, wait. What are these things? I'm going to look them up. Unless someone looks it up for me. I don't know. I don't know what they're used for. They look important, but I don't know. I got a chicken one, though. This is definitely my favorite. But I got a key now. Let's go. Although I got a key a bit quick. But oh well. Oh. No, so I have nowhere to put my rock slime. I need money. Give me money. 4. Oh yeah, put these over here. Ooh. Oops. What are they? I'm really like wondering what they are. Can I crouch? There's no crouch button. They look really weird. Oh, maybe because they're doing that. Oh, there we go. They look a little bit normal now. Oh no, that still looks weird now. Oh. Ah, I want to use them as Christmas decorations because it's Christmas coming up soon. Whoa. Yum. Christmas decorations. I don't know. I'm just gonna put them in there. In the order I found them. Even though that's not the order I found them in, but oh well. I want to get my chickens, collect my chickens. My hens. And my cockles. I want to get a chicken farm. But I need plots. I don't have any plots. So what I'm going to need to do, I'm going to just spit all of these out at you. So you guys can eat and give me these plots. And now I need to go out. Oh, actually I need to see what's in here too. Oh. It says I have mail. How do I open mail? I forgot. Oh god. Let's go in here. Star mail. Oh. Oh, that's what mail is. Oh, okay. Let's leave me till morning. Because why not? Yo, because now they can eat again. So, eat, child. Eat, child. Eat, children. God, you're greedy, aren't you? You've eaten 2. Don't you eat a 3rd? I don't think that's enough for a hen. I don't know. I think it's 250. Coop. Yeah, 250. See, I know the CK Coop. It's pink slimes. Big. Oh, there's one. Getting somewhere. Back off. My plots. My plots only. You cannot steal my plots. Poor boy, he was just like, oh, sweetie. They're not good for you. They make you 2 giant fat ones. Like that. Ooh, box. Trash one, but yeah, whatever. Give me a chicken. Give me another chicken. Give me all this money. Well, poop. Give me all this poop. Cool, I have enough poop now. And also, this is also a bit weird. So, do you know how the slimes poop out plots? And the other slimes eat the plots. So, basically, slimes are eating their own poop. If it makes sense. So, basically, slimes are eating poo. While I'm selling poo. Also, I've noticed something else. With the crystal slimes. Ow. And the rock slimes. Like, ow. You're pooping out spikes. Like, just, that's not nice. That hurts. Ooh, hens. I have a rooster as well, so you guys can make babies. I thought that was a plot. Give me your poop. I think a coral is 250 as well. Yeah. God damn it. Okay, I'm gonna put all the veggies here. I'm gonna put the meat eaters here, next to the chicken farm over there, which will be over there when we get them. Then over here, I don't know. Also meat eaters probably. 2 meat eater places. Yeah, that works. Yeah, that's fine. I'll get rid of the chicken pen. I'll put it in there. I'll put 2 chicken pens in there, and a carrot and a fruit tree. It sounded more than one. But anyways, you get in my coop. Chicken coop. So episode 2, as you guys have seen both sides, do you want to go into, wait, what's map? Do you want to go into the places with the honey slimes? Wait, where am I? Do you want to go in here, this place, all through here? Or do you want to go through here? It's up to you. Over here we can get a few different slimes and a few different slimes there. We could get water slimes from both. It's up to you guys. Here I've been before, but not with you guys. You have to go here, but we can't open here without opening one of these places. Well, we can, but we're cheating otherwise. You can, but I get this kind of a big thing. So let's go this way actually. Go look for my plots. Actually, let's get more rock slimes for this buddy. We get 3 friends. Or 5. If we find another 2, we'll get 5. Itchy eyeball. And we'll get tabbies. Oh yeah, but you guys are meat eaters. We'll get tabbies later. Oh. Oh, well, let's you 3K together, so you might as well be together. We'll be with each other. Oh, I have to take you then too. Oh, and you. Although you're just gonna get eaten, but you're gonna get eaten anyways. So no matter what, you're gonna die. I'm gonna save you. Oh, you can't save you two without you two still dying. Oh, cockerel. Oh well. Let's go back. Feed some things. Actually, let's get rid of these. Oh, baby. Where? I'm saving you. I'm saving you as well. Well, actually, now I'm killing you, but I'm saving you too. So it's a win-win. I'm saving you for a longer life. Longer. I'm gonna be alive for a little bit longer than you would. Especially the hens. Although you might get eaten just straight away if I feel like it, but they're not meat eaters, so you're not gonna get fed. Unless they're starving, but like that's gonna happen. I wish we could extend the corals. Like have one here as well. Like look how big this space is. And I've got nothing there. And like maybe fit another one somewhere else. Like why are they so spread it out? Like that's a fair distance. That's not a bad distance. But I feel like yeah, mess. Oh well. Give me some plots. Okay, good. Give me your poop. Poop, poop. Bada bada boop. I have enough. Let's go. For veggie boys. So, let's put the coral in here. I can't afford high walls. Oh well. Oh, there's 6 of you there. Actually. Let's grab you guys. Let's swap you guys. These guys. You guys might get mixed with something. Just not in the meantime. You 6 are definitely getting mixed with something. This was a slow episode, I gotta say, but I needed to post something, and this might be tomorrow, which is Saturday. Like, I would post today, but I didn't know what to do. I was gonna do an Overwatch video, but it wasn't working, so oh well. I want to figure out what. Oops. Do you know what, guys? We're gonna open this place up. We're going to open our first door in the first episode. So here we are, and we'll open this one. 3, 2, 1.